airstream has dents. Now, I could like drill some holes and put some rivets in and try to pull it out that way, but I'm going to try this hot glue thing and see if it works. Where you heat up a bunch of hot glue and you stick it on and you give it a yank. I got a torch, I got hot glue, and I got an airstream. Those are the three things you need, I think. Alright, let's give this a try. Heating it up nice and even, like I'm working with glass. There's probably a smarter way to do this, but this is the way that I'm doing it. You get it all nice and soft and mushy. Warm up the surface a little bit. And then you glorp it on. Oh. It takes it a long time to cool down, so I just get to stand here for like 10 minutes. I'm gonna watch some TikToks while this happens. And sitting on here cooling down for quite a while. This is in the sun though, so it all just still feels a little bit mushy. But I'm gonna give it a try. We'll give it a yank and see what it does. Look, I know how this goes. I know that the second I pull on that hot glue and you see if it works or didn't work, the video's over. Like, why would you stay tuned? It either works or it doesn't work, right? And I'm going to let you know it works. It's cool. Like, keep watching, you'll see. It works. I was surprised. It works. But, like, the whole video was, what, a minute long? Minute and a half long? So I thought maybe you'd like some donkeys? Maybe you'd like to hang out with little Cooper here a little bit. He's a sweet little guy, just learning how to be a little guy. He's young. He's learning how to be a donkey. He's got some attitude because he's young. And he's learning how to just be a sweet boy and not bite people. But he's doing pretty good. He's doing pretty good. And Murphy here, my big old sweet guy, Murphy, he was recently diagnosed with Cushing's disease, and we just started medicine. And I think they have him feeling, his pills have him feeling a little weird. But he's still my sweet baby. I love this. I love this donkey. I love this donkey. And I thought you people watching this video who took the time to click on the video deserved something a little more entertaining than just, here, watch me pull on this hot glue and see if it works. Which again, it did. You can keep watching. It worked really well. I was really surprised. I mean, it sucks that it leaves a residue. You'll see what I mean. Just keep watching. Well, what do you know? And then I can just pull it off. Maybe when I come out here and it's cold, I can peel this off better. That kind of sucks. We got this like gloopy mess. I'm going to do this a couple more times. Okay, so in summary, it actually works. Like, I really did not expect this to work at all, but it works. It's not perfect. You can tell there was a dent there, and now I have this nasty stuff I have to like scrape off on a cold morning. I suspect it'll come off easier when it's cold, because right now it's like kind of gooey. But wow, like, huge difference, huge difference. I'm kind of amazed.